Honestly, I don't know what to do. I don't.
What is that supposed to mean? Even the cops knows what to do. It knows that it has to remain still and lay there. But you're alive. You should think of a way out. Why not your wife?
Can you not talk about my wife? Please?
Look, we don't have much time.
I know we don't have much time, but you and I should know that...
Both of us know that for us to survive this, we must talk about your wife. She's the key. Look, why are you carrying on like this? Chief meets a whole lot of people every day. There is no way Chief will remember ever having an encounter with your wife. Tell me, what is difficult in a common dinner meeting? Why are you scared of bringing your wife along? Look, what Chief wants to know, he just wants to be convinced that we are responsible men. And once he's assured of that, he will let us be.
It's complicated now. But you are the one who started all this. If you had kept your mouth shut, I wouldn't have been in this mess.
What mess are you talking about?
Femi, how much time does your wife spend on social media?
Are you high this morning?
No.
You know high? You not drink anything. And you pass here, you not fit tell me good morning. You look me, say hi. What does that mean? I mean, like really, like seriously, like honestly, like for real? Hi? Are you serious? Are you becoming my hater?
Me? No. Ha.
So you are not my hater?
Madam Landlady, God will bear me witness. I mean, I don't even understand what you're saying. I'm not hating on anybody, and I'm obviously not hating on you. I can't.
So, take a very good look at me. Go on. Take a very, very good look at me. My shoes. My top. It's a crop top. And my human hair. Was I wearing this yesterday?
You're obviously wearing something different from yesterday.
Perfect answer. You are a good girl. I mean, if you had said anything contrary, I would have told you blatantly that you are not a good person and that is how witchcraft begins. But you answered correctly. I don't get it. I mean, how you can be my tenant living under my roof in my husband's house and you don't speak well of me. Are you confused? You're confused. Are you? You're confused, right?
Honestly, I am.
You should be. So, tell me, for the second time. I mean, this time, take a closer look at me. A very good look. Very, very good look. Take a good look at me. Really. Tell me, how do I look?
You look very beautiful. I mean, your shoes, your clothes, your hair. You're unique. Like, you're cute.
Thank you. You are a good girl.
Okay. Thank you. Please, I have to run around now. Please.
Oh, no, you should.
Hey.
was wondering. Are you following my Instagram?
The social media craze is an issue for another day. You know what? I love Sophia with every fiber in me. But the truth of the matter is that she has been driving me nuts this past few months.
I'm sorry about that.
If you had asked me what happened at the last business dinner, I would have explained and you wouldn't have made the mistake of...
I asked you and you told me that she was not feeling fine and you had to leave early. Look, there's no need fighting over this. Why not call her and explain everything to her?
You don't understand. You don't.
Well, I don't know what else to say. Maybe I will give you some time to think about this.
Nothing to be excited about. This is purely business.
Really? Oh, okay, bye.
I'll tell you all about it when we see.
Just tell me time and when you'll be there. Really? Okay, just another picture.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Okay, no problems. Alright, take care of you, bye. That was my husband. Says he won't be back home early because something very important came up.
And he decided to tell you to avoid problems. It's very good to be a powerful one.
Well, thanks to you, Sasha, for teaching me how to keep men on their toes. Okay, so that means I don't have to rush home. I can take you anywhere you're going.
Huh? No, Sophia. It's a business meeting. Well, I have all the time to spare.
I'll wait for you and then you can have your meeting.
Okay. Okay.
Great. Dress up.
Oh, yes.
We were friends. We fought each other. We made mistakes without pointing fingers. Now I don't know what we've become. In a twinkle love.
Just wait for me up. This is your husband's car, right?
No, I'm not understanding. I'm not understanding what Dozier's car is doing here. He said something came up at the office.
I told you men don't like when their wife keep smart friends. If I didn't bring you here, would you have discovered that your husband lied about where he was? Where's the entrance? Hello?
Friends are
If you don't look at me like that, that's the least I can do for you. So, take it or leave it. That's supposed to be you and I.
What is going on? What is going on? Are you serious? No, for real? Like, you mean now? Now here you did. After when you reach out, this your rough behavior, you go pour your mouth. I love you so much. Now here let me relate that meeting. This is what came up. Are you serious? No, are you serious? So when you get home now, after you do this jollof rice, you tell me you love me. Huh? What are you doing here? Huh?
Your cousin is in here and I don't like it.
What's your cousin here? I sent you a message. How will it concern me if you don't like her? Anyways, because you be my husband, I will not create a scene here. I am waiting for you at home. We'll sit here.
What do you say?
Is that all you need me to do?
That's all.
Hope you won't try to have sex with me.
It's just a dinner. Nothing more.
Okay. I will charge 100,000 naira.
Deal. I will give you 50% of the money. In here, it's a brief, and I want you to study very well.
Why will I need to study this? I thought you said I only need to act like your friend's wife.
If you must do that convincingly, you must know a whole lot of things about him. I'll give you the balance at the dinner.
Why do I need to know a whole lot of things about him?
Someone might ask you a question. And as your husband, you
Okay. You pay extra 50,000 naira for that.
Do I look stupid to you?
Have a great day.
All right. Done deal.
When I look into your face, I see many things you're trying to hide, baby. What a beautiful smile and a beautiful soul you have, baby. The pain behind the smiles is making you to lose your mind.
Sophie, is everything alright?
You say? You say? Now your mouth take ask me that kind of question. What did that come in now? Huh? What did that come in? How everything want take be alright? No call me that one. No even call me that one at all. No call me sweetheart. What to be sweetheart? Eh? See the kind of place where you carry that girl. Go! You don't carry me go that kind of place before?
But we've been there a couple of times.
No be that one I follow you talk now. No be that one I follow you talk. Say we've been there a couple of times.
So they carry girls about, they go flex them, make sure they flex them. The way they flex me. You don't flex me like that before. Come carry the girl, go there. They come they look inside your eye. You said you come wide on your nose, open your teeth, they look inside your eye. Like say you never see woman before.
I've told you that we went there for business.
You tell me that thing! That's what they talk, they make me the best, they make my head they scatter, they make me the best. And last, if you continue to talk this matter like that, you go make me best so. Last, the way you go take end. Last, do what they say now. Be say, you go break my head, or I go break your head. Break your teeth joint.
You need to calm down. I've tried to explain. Wait.
And they go sleep for sitting room. If you see me for your dream, maybe you explain that to me for there. But this person is supposed to sit down for you now. My eye open and they see you. I bet maybe you say try, may not see me.
Sweetheart, can you calm down?
We made mistakes without pointing fingers.
You don't understand that. You don't understand that. Those here no allow me to beat that girl. Where? You don't allow me. I for do I'm washing and setting. You don't grip me. Now lie. Now that girl I ain't pursue those here. Now she pursue my husband. You see? Now those here not supposed to ban a bit. I beg I go call you back now. Yes, I go holla you later.
I crushed the mountain to keep us standing.
I know you're very angry right now. But I want you to understand.
I beg you to tell me that kind of talk. No, don't tell me that kind of talk, I beg. You don't hear me so? You say you get sense past me. You run down like run town as you see me for that place. You no surprise? Never know anything yet.
I've tried to make you understand that it was just a business dinner.
You dey go do business dinner. You tell me. Why not tell me say you want chop dinner? Business one. I for cook for house here. Carry 2 plates, 2 spoons. Carry am come your office. Put one for your front, put one for your front. Put the food. When I go to chop for there, they discuss the business. Now that one they call office business dinner. For that place, now that you go do it.
You don't do business dinner in the office.
No, I talk. No, I make you. I go best. I go best for you now. I dey crazy. I go best for you now. Who should I talk with that? I be like move for your eye. I don't be anybody fool. At all.
Sweetheart, I love you. I wouldn't do anything that would hurt you. I love you more than you can ever imagine.
They wash me now. Which soap they take wash me like this now where they bring out plenty food. You won't wash me now. After you don't mess up now, you won't begin to wash me. I love you. Leave that thing. Anyways.
I love you.
I'll investigate.
Really?
We go, you can investigate. Lady, come on. If you think so, I post for Instagram. All those haters there, I'm Bible people, they happy say me and my boo, they fight. They go run down. Blood of over the eye. Blood that could do your nose like a tat. Yeah, come inside.
They try to make me vex. They try to piss me off. Forget the things they do me, yo. I don't feel to leave you, oh. Forget the gra, forget the match. I know say I love they catch you, oh. Now the same thing they do me, yo.
I don't give you my I don't forgive on. Then the jog they go. Now go to business now again. Oh yes, I'm business now they go so.
Okay. Here you go.
Why you just they give me bitter sweet, oh, my baby.
What are you doing here?
You didn't give me the money I asked for. That was why I decided to come look for you. You sneaked out of the house.
Honey, please, I beg you. Do not add to the problems I already have. Can't you see that our source of livelihood is about to be snatched away?
Is that why you're looking all worried and bottled? Eh?
This is why I tell my fellow guys not to allow that thing called love push them into getting married to liabilities. If Jose, my friend, hadn't married that locally crafted way, if not, I wouldn't have been in this fix. I would have been financially buoyant.
And you would have given me the 3 million.
Of course.
I honestly don't know what he sees in that witch. I often wonder how they reason. I don't get it at all. Do they reason together? Do they reason on the same plane? Anyway, just let me know if there's anything I can do to help in this problem. Okay?
Come here. I love you so much. I love you, baby. You know what?
I have been trying to understand what she wants in life. I don't get it. I heard her husband wanted to send her to UK for further studies, but she turned it down. Oh, what a waste. Immediately you tell me, say this girl named her April. I don't already know, say na fool. What is my business with you? Why are you on my issues? Huh? Are you the one that wants to go to the UK? I am the one who's supposed to go to the UK. And I changed my mind because it's my life and I can do whatever I choose to do with it. How is that your business? Don't come here, fool. Don't you dare. If you talk again, wallahi, I go slap you until you begin to confess to witchcraft here. You dey mad? What did they walk you? Eh? Sasha, I have to start going. I don't want unnecessary drama. Just stop it, girl. Just calm down. Look, I have told you several times you should mind the way you talk to her. She's my friend and I'm very proud of her. Tell her. Get away from here. Go. Just calm down. What are you doing? I block her on Instagram. Hiding my story on Instagram, unfollow her on Instagram, unfollow her on Twitter, block her on Twitter, block her entire existence and history from WhatsApp. That's it. See her? See mango face. I'm blocking her right now. That's it. She's gone. You said too, you mess up. You sit down, they hear her, they talk nonsense about me, and you know if you walk her out since. What is her business if I refuse to go to the UK? I was behind the door, I was hearing her. Every single thing she said I heard.
You are pathetic. I am ashamed of you. If I did not hear everything you said, I wouldn't have believed it.
Really?
How could you think so little of my wife?
Really? Did you want to hear the truth?
What truth?
Dozier, your marriage is not even up to 1 year. And I'm tired of giving you emotional support. It's not because it's bad to do so, but because you're being stupid about it.
What?
If you believe, I think little about your wife. Be honest with yourself. Look straight into my eyes. Tell me the truth. What goes on in your head each time she makes you pass through the usual hell of embarrassment?
Femi, please. You guys should just keep it down. You're in public and it's not good for people.
It's not good? So you know what is good for me? If you can't find anything good in Sophia, how could you know what is good for me?
Dozier, keep my wife at home.
You should have left her out of this from the outset.
Stop it! I'm out of it and I'm out of here.
Sasha, forget that thing you're saying. What do you think? That I don't use my brain? Trust me, girl, I've used my brain very, very well. I am a very, very smart girl. Girls like April are demonic. It is because of girls like April I refuse to travel to the UK.
What are you trying to say?
Well, traveling to the UK would mean the coast will be clear for them to come in and snatch my husband.
Sophia, I know April can be anything, but definitely not a husband snatcher.
No girl will agree that she's a husband snatcher until she finally snatches your husband.
I guess you have a point.
Don't guess. I do have a point, and I know what I am talking about. But me, no girl can snatch my husband. In fact, the girl who will snatch my husband has not been born. And if she finally arrives, I will buy her a very big TV screen. She will sit down and be watching it.
Anyway, enough of all these girls. Tell me, what's up? How did you sort things with your husband?
Well,
We were friends. We fought each other. We made mistakes. Without pointing fingers. Now I don't know what we've become. In a twinkle of an eye, I'll give tomorrow to take back.
What are you doing here?
Why are you surprised to see me?
See, I've apologized over what happened. And I want you to understand that.
You don't need to apologize. I mean, I understand your position.
Okay. Thank you. You didn't have to come here.
We have unfinished business. I have accepted a proposal to go on a dinner with you and play the perfect wife.
Look here, please. I have decided to talk things over with my wife. And
I'm not done yet. Forget about the money that I asked for. I don't need it anymore.
I am not going to talk about this anymore. I'm done. You may leave.
If I leave, blame yourself for whatever comes out of it. Are you ready to talk or not?
Baby, just they give me bitter sweet, oh, sweet, oh, my baby, baby, yeah, yeah. Why you just they give me?
Just that? He kissed you and you guys made up? Yes. He brainwashed you and you fell for it? You had a perfect opportunity to ask for something and you just wasted it.
What am I supposed to ask for? I mean,
You could have asked for a car. And you wanted something bigger.
what would I use a new car for?
You're very selfish. You're not a good friend. If your husband buys you another car, you give me the old one.
that's why you're insulting me and calling me selfish. Sometimes you make me think that perhaps you go to the back of your house and sip kerosene. What do you mean selfish?
Look. The fact that I told you what to do does not give you the right to insult me.
Do you think I ever thought you were smart? Lord.
What is that supposed to mean?
Well, you're acting crazy. Like you're not making any sense right now.
Look, all these things you're shouting, I taught you how to defend yourself and now you're using it on me, eh?
Babe, I beg. Make I begin to go my husband's house before you punch my nose because I said something. I'm leaving. Won't you hold me back?
If you see this girl, you will like her. Already I've given her 30,000 naira as part payment of the money we agreed on.
You should have discussed this with me before making this arrangement. You see why I worry with you sometimes?
Oh, come on, Dozie. See, there is no shame in admitting the fact that I helped to fix what ordinarily they won't have had the guts to fix.
Unfortunately
what?
I thought that using another girl for the business dinner was a bright idea. That it was a smart idea. On the contrary, it has sucked me deeper into yet another problem.
What problem are you talking about?
The girl you saw at the office. Please.
Yeah?
I used to think she was an angel. That was why I chose her. God. I don't know what to do now. I don't.
What is it?
She wants to stay in my house until the 27th.
What? What will she be doing in your house? Didn't you tell her? Of course. You must have told her that you're married.
She knows I am married.
Then forget the girl. Let's use the girl that I've given 50% of the money we agreed on.
She said that if I don't go to the business dinner with her, she will tell my wife about my plan.
It's a word against hers, bro. Your wife will believe you.
I am stuck with this girl.
What are you talking about? Do you know the implication of having this girl in your house? You said this is trouble. The moment you allow her to blackmail you, see, you are finished.
Honey, please sit down. It's something we need to discuss. It's very important.
Not now. I want to be left alone.
What is the problem?
It's Sasha. I honestly thought that she was a wise girl, but apparently she...
I told you she is not good for you, but you wouldn't listen. You wouldn't. Oh, it's alright. Please, sit down. We need to discuss something important.
So if I don't see that, you're not telling me what it is you want to say? What you want to tell me is not nice here and standing.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay. What I wanted to tell you is that...
Wait. So you can actually say what you want to say while I'm standing? Why did you not say I should sit down? You think I'm a child? You honestly think I'm a child? Like I don't know my left from my right? Huh?
Can you just listen to me?
Don't you yell at me. You are yelling because you think I'm deaf and dumb? Do you honestly think I'm deaf and dumb? How do you reason? Like, I am deaf and dumb. If you speak like a normal human being, I won't hear you. Do you think I'm deaf?
It's pointless. You know what? I just want to let you know that my cousin will be coming to stay here for a while.
Your cousin or my cousin or any other person's cousin is not coming to this house. I don't want anybody coming here and telling me this or that for me and that or this for me. Seems like the way we are living in peace in this house, you don't like it.
My cousin is coming. My cousin is coming.
Okay. We shall see. He's yelling at me like I'm deaf. He thinks I'm stupid. He just walked out on me. Do you really think I'm stupid? Wait, hey, get back.
Oh my babe, the matter tire me. I just won't pack my things, make I run, leave this town. I don't want me that useless girl can embarrass me.
Oh, Sasha, you said she warned you not to try running away. Else her talks would disgrace you.
What do I want to do? I don't have her money, and I definitely cannot return the shoe, bag and clothes I collected from her. That's not even an option.
Now what do you want?
Let me put the talk now. Tell me now.
Yeah,
Hey, darling.
One minute. Whoa! Look who we have here. Thanks for coming.
You wanted me to come.
Who wouldn't want you to come? Anyways, make yourself comfortable, okay? Feel free. This room belongs to the two of us. Okay, so we just let's have. Well, so what do I offer you? I mean, what would you want to drink?
Champagne.
Champagne? I like the way you call that. Alright, so do you have any in mind, or should I order for you?
Make choice for me.
You know, I like you really.
Hey. Why do you hurry? We got all night.
You don't know how much I've actually missed this. You know, I've been longing for this. But anyways, you're right. We have the whole night. So, what do you want to drink? Can you say champagne? Maybe you order. You want something else like meat?
Maybe later.
Yeah. You said meat and later? Champagne now? Okay. Her Excellency. Oh, right now. Oh, right now? Okay, no, it's okay, it's okay. So do you want me to come with that stuff? Okay, no problems. Alright, I'll be there. I'll be there. Alright, thank you, ma. Alright.
Is everything okay?
It's not a problem though, but you know the governor's wife, you know, she asked me to meet with a political chieftain in the state, so but that's not a problem. I want you to just relax, okay? I'll make the orders, and when I come back, we'll continue from where you stop.
That's fine, yeah. Okay.
Alright, you said champagne meat later.
Yes. Nice phone.
Thank you. One of my phones though.
Sophia. We need to talk.
Well, You didn't have to say we need to talk. Because whether you use that slogan or not, we'll still talk. We're talking. So shoot, I'm listening.
You never used to be like this. What went wrong?
What went wrong?
I have given us a conscious thinking.
Mm-hmm.
We have a problem. I can't just seem to place my fingers around it. Has this new attitude of yours got to do with the fact that I asked for your certificate so I can help you find a job?
I don't know what you're talking about. What are you talking about?
I know that you are tired of staying idle. Just give me a little more time and I'll get you a good job. Just put your papers together, put your certificates together, and we will sort this out.
Yes. Yeah, fine, yeah. I mean, yeah. Thank you. Perfect.
You know I love you, and I have always been proud of you.
Yeah.
When I look into your face, I see many things you're trying to hide.
Okay, why did you have to say we need to talk? Like, whether you say we need to talk or not, we still will.
The beautiful soul you have, baby. The pain behind the smiles is making you to lose your mind.
Did you have to keep me here all night? Do you even have to make me shout all the time? What kind of a human being are you?
I'm sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
How do I look?
Madam, you look gorgeous. But, this...
My shoes are in the car.
Oh!
Yes.
Okay, so, where are we going to?
You are driving me to an all-night party.
All night?
Yes. Or have you got problems with that?
No. It's just that,
That's what? Let's go. My things are in the car, I need to get them.
This woman is a witch. Just imagine how she denied me the opportunity of having a fun night with Sasha. I'm sure she has left the hotel. Guy, you're nothing for me at all. Even after I've spent all that. Women are just evil.
Kelly?
Ma?
Why have you been sighing all day? What's going on?
Ma? Ma, nothing. It's nothing.
Does it have something to do with the way you responded when I called you last night?
Madam, see, nothing really. It's just some family problem that's got me thinking. Really,
the girl you were with, did you tell her it was the wife of the president or speaker that called? You've never called me your excellency before. Why last night?
How long am I supposed to continue with this charade? Dozie thinks it's because I don't have a job. But how can I even get a job when I don't have a degree?
But I can't go back to school because everyone thinks I'm a graduate.
Sophia, the only way you can get away with everything is to be a slay queen and a badass bitch. Sasha says so.
Sasha said so. Be a slay queen. A slay queen. That's what I am. Good morning.
Yeah. I just came to greet you, that's all.
I've heard. Hey. And why did you not like the pictures I posted on Instagram? Huh? Even the old ones you liked, you didn't even bother to comment on them. Whatever happened to Fire Baby? Slay Queen? Slay Mama? Or any other sweet comment you can think of to put on my page? I mean, if you comment on my page, will your village people kill you?
But madam,
No. Don't give me buts. No ifs. I don't want to hear it. Do you not know that part of your obligations as a tenant in this house, enjoying free light, is to like and comment on all of my pictures on any social platform? Don't you know?
I am so sorry, madam landlady. Okay? It's just that I've been so busy with work and but I promise you, when I'm less busy, okay, and go online, I would like all your pictures and comment on other things.
Nice comments. Okay. Slay Queen, Slay Mama, Fire Baby. Alright, you can go.
Wait. This girl just abused me.
Yes, she did. She said, when I'm less busy, I'll go online and like and comment on all your pictures. So it means that I, Sophia, who is online 247, I'm jobless. Very well then, I will deal with her. I'll just love her now. Okay, no problems.
So why would you want her to pack up?
She has to leave. She has grown wings and she has to leave. She can't possibly stay under my roof in my husband's house and insult me to my face.
What exactly happened?
Well, she practically told me to my face that I was jobless. That is an insult. It's unruly. It's not allowed. She has to leave.
She said that to you?
Well, just imagine. I mean, I went to her and said, why haven't you been liking or commenting on my pictures on Instagram? She looks at me and says, I've been so busy, so busy. I haven't had time to go to the internet. But not to worry. Once I have time, I'll go there and I'll like and comment on all your pictures. That is an insult. Invariably, she's telling me indirectly that I am jobless. So she has to go. Go and make sure of it.
Sophia, we don't have any reasons to send her packing. Besides, she still has valid rent on that house. And if you probably want to meet her in court, you can go ahead and send her packing.
I go speak for your eye. I go speak for your eye now because you don't misfire. So, you go take side with another woman against your own wife? Somebody insult your own wife, you go take his side? Last, right now, tell me what's in there between you and Queen.
There is nothing between me and her. Do you understand? Do you understand? Now, stop making a mountain out of a molehill. What's the problem?
You're the shape of my head. Not try am. Not sharp for this head because of another woman. You hear me so? Not try am. Not try am. She go back.
You know what? I don't have time for this. I don't.
I get time and I go borrow you. Time there for us to discuss her. I go borrow you my own time. Does it? I get time. I go borrow you time.
bad luck with this now?
Eh? You have a job problem, you don't have a job to wahala. Okay, now, let me just call her to explain things to her. This life opportunity.
The number you are trying to call is currently switched off. Please try again later. Thank you. Number you are trying to call is currently switched off. Please try again later.
Why is her phone switched off now? Eh? Just wanted to...
Don't push me to the wall. Do not try your luck. Do not push it too far. Right now, I am running out of patience, and if you don't...
Don't tell me that kind of talk, say they run out of patience. As your patience run, you know, pursue your patience, make you catch her back. Eh? Who grab my help? Who grab my help? So what are you talking inside, no get sense? Eh?
I am done talking about Queen. Do whatever you want to do, but just bear in mind that you are going to bear the consequences alone.
No wahala. Okay now, no problem. You hear? No wahala. As it be so, I will remember something will make me wrong, come outside to come discuss them with you. But as you say, make her bear the consequence. No problem. Forget them then.
What is it?
You don't forget that girl who cashing away, carry go that place. Why go cashing for there?
God, I thought we had discussed this. And I explained things to you. Why are you bringing it up again?
I know they bring up anything. Don't tell me say they bring up anything. Why I no go bring them up? Eh? That's why I cash now. You explain to me, you beg me, explain to me what happened. But you just have forgive you finally. You sure? I don't forgive you because it didn't pain me. That thing pain me. That thing hurt my feelings. So that thing really pain me. And then come check her now. Your sister they come. No be time say your cousin they come visit. If your cousin come and see the vest for you, she go know you. You know go they comfortable. She tell you know go they comfortable. She go sit down for long thing. You know they comfortable. You know good like that. You understand? So when we talk and no say we don't clear and final I don't forgive you.
Okay. I apologize once more. I am sorry about everything. Forgive me. Please.
Clear your mouth, this side. Don't talk that thing again, I beg. Don't talk that kind of thing. So you just face me and say, forgive me. And it go end. Instead of they do something. You know what I'm saying? It's not so that they forgive people. People go they mess up, they go. Now make you mess up this mess up so. Person will just say, please, it go end.
Sophia. What do you want me to do for you to forgive me?
No, you're supposed to ask me this kind of question since. Because that thing pain me, that thing hurt my feelings. But I talk and my body don't begin to hurt. That really pain me. I feel very
What is it? What do you want me to do?
I think they come. That's not how they tell you, oh my goodness. But I should hurry, make a lack of that now. So last, if you make her forgive, make her forget about that way I have hurt my feelings too much. I tell you now. Last, if you buy me a new motor, I will forgive you immediately. In fact, to add Jara and Bonanza for that you will forgive, I go add forget John. I go forgive, I go forget. I don't even remember say you do me anything again.
Sophia, what do you need another car for?
Which kind of question be that? Now which kind of question you ask me so? I be Mumu? I don't know what I want use on that car do. Even if I call me Mumu, you be Mumu. You don't know what me I want use on that car do. I want use the car cook soup. The stereo and the tire, it go be meat. I go chop am. You go buy or you don't go buy? You go dey stress me. When I the best, not that rain. Ini. You go buy or you no buy?
Which I want to tell this woman now, eh? Hello, ma. Hey, madam. No, I didn't know the phone was ringing. I just saw it now, ma. Okay, ma, you know, when we were coming back, I was hearing some unpleasant sound. So No, ma, I just went to the mechanic to see if I can fix the car. I should come now. Ma'am, I'm coming, ma. I'm coming, ma. I'm coming, ma. Hey! Sasha! Hey! Hi! Hey! This one now. Oga, please, can you come, please? Oga, good afternoon. See, I'm looking for one Shasha. She lives here. Yes, I dropped her here some days back. Can you call her for me?
Oga, calm down. No dey rush. There's no Chacha living here. As a matter of fact, I am the one taking care of that house. And the owner of the house, they live abroad, so I don't know what you're talking about.
No, I dropped her here. She said she lives here, Oga.
Oga, I did tell you now. I will relax for you.
Hey, I'm finished.
Any problem?
Are you alright? I just said I'm finished. You're asking me if there's still...
You must shut up. Yeah, now go find your problem now. There's no Chacha living here.
So that's the thing here. You know, I have always wanted to be very close to you, but you keep pushing me.
Because I can't remember asking you to come.
What matters is I'm here every day. So, when I'm moving into your house.
What? What if my wife recognizes you from the restaurant?
Why is that my business? Figure something out. Do something.
Please, why are you doing this to me?
Well, in the absence of all the discussions, I'll move in on Sunday. Hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'll come later.
You don't look good, bro. What's the problem?
She said she's moving into my house on Sunday.
Doesn't sound good.
It's not good.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. If she moves into your house, how are you two going to come for the dinner without making your wife suspicious?
You see what you have caused?
Come out of that, Lucia. We've gone beyond the stage of throwing blames. What I expected you right now to think is how things are going to work. Think! You've always been a smart guy.
I don't understand why you went on that. It's so easy for you to say.
Once again, Chief, I'm so sorry for keeping you. I was waiting for my driver, but only God knows where the idiot took my car.
It's alright, my dear. Now back to what I was saying. I really find you quite intriguing. You're rather different from most girls I've met. I like your business acumen and the audacity behind your push.
Thank you very much.
You see, there's a dinner party I'm having soon in my place. I would love you to attend.
Really? It will be such an honor, Chief.
I would love some of my business partners to meet this beautiful young lady who came out of nowhere and is now spinning me in the palm of her hands.
Chief, is that supposed to be some sort of compliment or a death sentence?
I have totally surrendered myself to you.
Oh.
So go ahead and spin me any way you wish.
I look forward to being your guest.
It will be my pleasure too.
Okay. Chief?
Yeah.
How far have you gone with my request?
I have spoken to them and I asked them to sell or stand the risk of being run out of business and out of town. So they will get back to me soon.
That's not bad.
Let's toast to this.
Yes. It's a success.
I think you have to get your wife a new car.
Are you the one talking or?
Oh, no. I am not drunk. Look, I know you have a lot at hand right now.
I'm glad you know.
But seriously, the worst thing that can happen to you is when you fight in every front. Keep the whole front happy, then face other fronts.
Femi, the car my wife is using is still good enough.
It will do you more harm than good if you don't get a new car.
Really? What if I decide not to buy my wife a new car? What if I tell Bliss to go to blazes and burn to ashes? What if...
And what if we lose our company to Chief Williams? You don't have the clout and financial muscle to fight him in court. Wherever that rough terrain he could drag us through.
Femi, I am done being pushed around.
And what's that supposed to mean?
It means that hello? What? Okay. Yeah. I'll soon be home. I'll be home now.
What's the problem?
Bliss is in my house. I have to go.
Are you serious? So if I put it here, I can record it. Are you kidding me?
decided to surprise you.
Honey?
Hey! How are you? I'm fine. How's it day?
Just good.
Would you want to eat something?
No, I'm fine. I'm just...
Now you are a bad person. Your sister is a social media guru. And you didn't bring her here. I'm having so much fun. She's teaching me a lot of things.
Well, I'm glad you two are getting along fine.
Well, yes,
Let me go in. Let me go in and freshen up.
Alright. See ya. Please, come, teach me more.
Stop that. No, I'm not even myself. Oh, I love it. I'm a bad person.
Serious? I told you. I didn't know you had this picture. I love it. It's beautiful. No. Oh, you're a bad person.
Snapchat.
Yes.
I just walked into the house and she was right there in the sitting room having a fun time with my wife. I don't know whether I'm just gone insane or everyone else is crazy. I don't know what she wants from me. No, we have to make this right, okay? I'll talk to you later. Alright.
Lucy, what's the problem?
Problem?
Yes.
That's no problem.
Lucy, I know you well enough to know when something is bothering you. So what is the problem? If you don't want to talk about it, that's fine. I'll just go straight to something that is much more important to me.
And what could that be?
The car we talked about.
Listen. I don't have money to buy you a new car. That's what you're talking about.
You don't have money to buy me a new car?
I don't.
You don't have money to buy me a new car? That's a joke. Are you serious? Are you serious? He doesn't have money to buy me a new car.
Come on now. That's not a pleasant thing to tell your wife. Huh?
How's the conversation I'm having with my wife your business?
I know it's none of my business. But how can you say you don't have money to buy a new car for your own wife, Bros? Anyways, that's not my business.
See where you disgrace yourself? Huh? You know you just say disgrace. Yeah, yourself. You see, even your cousin supports me.
Just for your hand by yourself, for yourself, with yourself. Anyways, you said you no get money to buy me a new car, right? No issues. No wahala.
I see many things you're trying to hide, baby. What a beautiful smile.
I'm not going to that room with. I'm not going to sleep in that room if you don't come with me. Please come with me now, please.
To check what out? I'm not going to the guest room. What is your problem?
You're scared of rat now, Abby. You're scared of rats. Maybe I'll go and wake your wife to go with me.
You want to wake my wife?